What's up guys, you're watching GMT 800 Garage, and in today's video we are going to be installing new fog lights and LED Foglight bulbs on my 2000 Silverado codenamed Blondie. These are the new Foglight assemblies and the Foglight LED bulbs, which I got from Foglight. They were just plug and play. I will show you all how those plug up in a minute. But as you can see, the truck is soaking wet. It has rained overnight and I just pulled it in the garage, so let's get it dried off before I start working on it. Okay guys, I got the truck dried off so it won't be dripping rainwater all over me when I'm up under it installing these new fog lights. I climbed under the truck, and as you can see, this is the back side of the fog light. I'll actually have to do a little bit of extra work because of these two wires actually got cut in half. These are two of the fog lights, so I have to rewire these, but that's no big deal at all. To start taking off the Foglight assembly, you have to remove these two 10mm bolts up here. I think you can see them. They're on those clips right there and there. I got the two old fog lights removed, and as I said before, it was just two 10mm bolts on each side. And as you can see, these new fog light assemblies are going to be a huge upgrade over the old ones. They were starting to get yellow and dirty. So these are going to be it's going to look a whole lot better on the truck, and it's going to be a whole lot brighter going down the road. But until then, I'm going to get these bolts cleaned up and ready to be reinstalled, and I'm going to clean up under the truck so it looks nice and new when I reinstall these. Alright, I got this side all cleaned up and ready for the fog light to be reinstalled. Like I mentioned before, on the other side, I still have to get those wires fixed before I can reinstall the fog light on the other side. But for now, this side is ready, so I will get y'all clips of me reinstalling the fog light. I got the fog light installed back there on the driver's side, if you can see. Now moving on to the passenger side. Like I've mentioned a couple times though, I'm going to fix these wires before I install it, so I will show you all that right now. Okay, I got the wire fixed. All I did was strip back the old wire and put heat shrink and black tape over it, which will hold strong enough for what we're doing. So next step is going to be reinstalling the new fog light. Alright guys, it's a few days later. I had a ground wire issue that I couldn't get resolved, but I finally did. And this is the final result with the fog lights. I think they turned out great. I couldn't be happier with them. I will be posting links for both the Foglight Assembly and the Foglight Bulbs in the description below. But like and subscribe for the next video. Peace out, guys.